G'day everyone. Recently got the Osmo Pocket and I thought I'd take it out today to just test it to see how it actually works. It is a very hot day today, it's around 30 degrees Celsius, so it'll be interesting to see how it does handle this heat. Also I wanted to test the audio, so that's why I'm talking now with the audio directly coming into this unit. You can see this is just such a beautiful place. This is the Lavandula farm, which is stunning. So the lavender is just about to be cut, I think in a week or so. It's really gorgeous here. The smell is just amazing. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to take this around this beautiful location and then we can see how it goes. Now there is a bit of breeze too, so it'll be interesting to see how the audio sounds with this breeze coming in as well. That'll also interest me. Depending on how these results come out, I may use a lav mic and then sync the audio later in post, so we'll have to see. But I am shooting in 4K 60p and I'll also shoot in 4K 30p just to see how that both works with tracking and everything else. And we'll have a look at some of those images now.
I see you watching me when we're with our friends. It's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there, cause I know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow, grow, grow? I think it's time we stop tipping on our toes. What's holding you back now, sugar? Cause I don't know, I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it, why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away, no. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Oh, make you move before someone takes your place. I know how you feel, but you're scared to say to my face. I sure know you want it. Afraid to let it show, and I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Grow, 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 grow. It grows stronger for every day. We just can't keep it away. Takes a place. I see you watching me when we're with our friends. There's definitely something in the air. So let's take it from there. So let's take it from there. Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? And I know you need it. Why don't we let it grow? I know you want it. Afraid to let it show. You need it, baby. Why don't we let it? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow, 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 grow? Why don't we let it grow?
So I hope you enjoy looking at those results. Let me know what you think about them. Also let me know what you think about the audio. There is a lot of sounds around here with birds and insects and things like that, and also a bit of wind too, so it will be really interesting to see how it actually all sounds, and I'm looking forward to getting it back on the computer. So apart from that, give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, I have got Patreon now as well as PayPal if you did want to donate to the channel. Apart from that, I'll see you all soon in your next video. Bye for now.